In today's video, I'll show you how to find GoDaddy Renewal discount promo codes so you can save money on your domain renewals. Start by opening your browser and searching for GoDaddy Renewal discount promo codes. You'll see several websites offering these deals. Click on one of the top results that lists renewal codes. On the page, look for drop-down menus or tips that highlight extra savings, such as the Discount Domain Club. This program often offers the lowest prices on new domains and renewals, plus perks like auction memberships and domain broker services. Browse through the plans and pick the one that fits your needs. Once you've chosen, click Add to Cart. Then head to your cart and proceed to checkout. Make sure to enter your payment details correctly and apply any promo code available to maximize your savings. By following these steps, you can easily find and use GoDaddy Renewal discount codes, saving money while keeping your domains active. Your renewal just got cheaper.